Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do when your Redmi Note 7 Pro doesn't detect your SIM card. Okay, so let's begin. First, let's reinsert the SIM card, because sometimes it might help with the working of it. So in here we have our port. Let's do it really gently. Now let's remove the plate. Here is our SIM card. Currently it's in this second slot of this phone. You can simply also remove it into the second slot right in here. Also, you can gently and really carefully clean your SIM card, for example, by using a clean cloth, for example your t-shirt. Sometimes cleaning with it with a soft cloth might help with a working of it. So now let's reinsert our SIM card into its place, and now let's reinsert it. Also, before reinserting it into your Redmi, just to make sure, you can insert your SIM card into other device just to confirm its functionality. I mean, if it doesn't work in the other device, there's a chance that it won't work anyway on any other device, and your SIM card is simply damaged and you need to change it. Okay, also we can open up the settings, and we can type reset. Click on reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Click on reset settings, click on OK, and now it also might help. And as a last thing, you can restart your device. Sometimes it also helps to do it. Hold the power button, tap on the reboot, tap once again, and now within a second your device will be automatically turned on, and it might help with the problem of your SIM card, that it doesn't want to appear. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.